We are into the, you can say, designing, the planning and implementation of production lines. Production line means the machinery and the equipment that is required to produce precast concrete element. This is a very new thing that is coming to India. Already few people are using it, but not the completely thing has not been adopted in a complete way. We can say the equipment people are using they are using it in a parted way. Some people are using the wall, some people are using slabs, combination of wall and slabs. But normally what the things that we can, I can say you for my company, that is Somer, we are pioneer in this precast technology. We can give you the innovative new solutions which are being today required in the building system as per customized in India. Because in Europe this technology has been for the last 30-35 years. And it has achieved a stage of very advanced stage, and it will completely automated plants that they use at nowadays. But if we are talking of in India, people are not ready for that. So we are trying to customize our equipments as per the Indian conditions, so that we can start it from a very elementary stage and take it to the second and the last advanced stage. With the due course, when the people start using it, having more confidence into it, we are trying to do sort of a it will be combination of the production. Once we are coming up with the machines here, the basic technology will be bringing from the Germany, and few of the steel works and the ground works will be done here in India with the local vendors. The reason basically why we are here into this is because we find the southern states, once we are talking it, they are more ready to adopt the new technology, because we have got very good response from the Bangalore, and even the few people have started the things in Chennai. They are already started producing, although not with our company, with the other companies, but people are using these things. And we feel same for this Hyderabad and this region, and we hopefully looking for some good ventures there where we can come to the and supply the equipments. Actually, this is our first time. So since our company started only 1.5 years back, so we are participating in all the fairs, and this is the first time when they come across us, and we are here to participate.